exclusive news break. There is proof against the MP of Akhilesh Samajwadi Party. As the Samajwadi Party MP faces the Bijli Chori or electricity theft charge. The police are probing the charge of electricity theft. The MP's electricity bills have been accessed by Times Now, and these bills show you what the real story is. The number of units that have been used at the MP's house, the meter tampering that has taken place, which is under investigation now. They've now been sent to forensic analysis as well. So this comes amid the political showdown that's taking place over the same, because the Samajwadi Party has been claiming that the MP is being targeted. But these bills will show you that there was indeed electricity theft that was happening at the residence of the Samajwadi Party MP. My colleague Amita is joining us on the broadcast to put things in perspective. Amita, while the Samajwadi Party has been claiming this is political vendetta, take us through what these bills really prove.
Right. So the bills that we have access till now, exactly when it comes to the two connections that are being talked about, one in the name of Shafiqur Rahman Barq and the other one in the name of Ziaur Rahman Barq, and all of these actually show these 00000 is actually when it comes to the residence of a member of parliament. How is that the family is staying there and there is zero consumption of electricity? So the basic amount that is being charged, but when it comes to the units that has been suggesting, and this is all of this year that we are looking at, some of the months of 2023, some of the months of 2024 as well, and this is Shafiqur Rahman Barq's connection that we are talking about. There are two of them that the connections that is now being sent as far as the previous meters that have been installed for forensic analysis, smart meters that have now been installed, and according to the team that reached their residence early this morning in the presence of heavy police deployment and security deployment there, that can be also seen when it comes to the new meter reading that has been done to assess that if there were any irregularities. So these are the dates that have been highlighted till the month as far as the areas also that have also been pointed out. This is the carry forward that we are looking at. However, when it comes to the consumption of electricity, that has been showing at 0 units, and that is something that is questionable right now, exactly how there can be 0 unit consumption of electricity when a family is still residing over there. The difference in the current that is also being noted, and of course this is one of the connections that we are talking about is of Shafiqur Rahman Barq. The differences that have been noted in the kilowatt energy that has been consumed, and however when it comes to the unit consumption that has been showing, it is at 0. This is the point that the electricity department has now sent the previous meters for forensic analysis, smart meters that have now been installed, and despite heavy presence of police that has now been made, they are also assessing the kind of load that the ACs or even when it comes to other electrical appliances is now taking on the current meters that have been installed.
Okay, all right. So the Sambhal Lok Sabha MP Ziaur Rahman Barq has been accused of involvement in the riots that took place in Sambhal, and at the same time there was electricity theft that was taking place at his residence. He is accused of stealing electricity, really. Very, very embarrassing for the Samajwadi Party MP. Pradeep Datta also joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep, very embarrassing for the SP MP at a time when such accusations that he is facing, at a time when the Samajwadi Party has been claiming this is political vendetta. We have bills that prove otherwise.
See, whatever the Samajwadi Party leaders or the family members have to say, the administration here is maintaining one thing, that no one is above law. Whosoever will be involved in any kind of indiscrepancy, irregularity or power theft, action will be initiated against. It was because of that reason, because they had flagged irregularities in electricity consumption, they had flagged indiscrepancies in the billing also. That was one of the reasons that today morning they went to his place, they inspected his site, and they were able to collect the data regarding the electric appliances. Now, what actually the administration is mulling to even lodge a fire. Right now, I am outside power theft department, and you can...
Okay, all right. We seem to have lost that line. We'll go back to Pradeep in just a moment, but a lot of activity taking place there. This is after the accusation against the Samajwadi Party MP. The charge is of electricity theft, after which the electricity department has now arrived there at his residence. In fact, the police officials have also spoken on the same. Listen in.
विद्युत विभाग द्वारा यहाँ पर निरीक्षण किया जा रहा है, जिससे कि विद्युत सप्लाई की स्थिति को नापा जा सके। उनके द्वारा यह कार्य सुचारू रूप से किया जा रहा है। उनके द्वारा पुलिस बल की मांग की गई थी, जिसमें पुलिस बल उपलब्ध है और सकुशल कार्य किया जा रहा है। और यहाँ पर सकुशल कार्य संपन्न कराने के लिए पर्याप्त पुलिस बल उपस्थित है। कार्य सुचारू रूप से हो रहा है। विद्युत विभाग द्वारा जो निरीक्षण किया जा रहा है उनके द्वारा अन्य जो सहायता मांगी जाएगी पुलिस बल उपलब्ध कराया जाएगा।
So those are the details on the spot. A team from the State Electricity Department reaching the Sambhal Lok Sabha MP Ziaur Rahman Bark's residence this morning amid the allegations of irregularities in the usage of electricity. The team is accompanied by security personnel arriving at the residence to take meter readings and check the load of the air conditioners, fans and the other electricity equipment. There have been allegations of electricity theft against the Sambhal MP, as the executive engineer had flagged that the usage of electricity according to the meter readings, it is much lesser than what is actually consumed. We have more details.